Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today's title is Housework Troubles at Home. In this video, you will watch a simple daily conversation between a couple, Ken and Mina. They talk about everyday housework like laundry, cleaning, and washing dishes. You'll hear very natural and useful English for daily life. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer in the story. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What mistake does Ken almost make when he starts the laundry? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in English in the comments section. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
Good morning, Mina.
Good morning, Ken. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well. I feel great today.
That's good. You look happy this morning.
I am happy. The weather is nice today. The sun is shining.
Yes, it's a beautiful day. Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please. But wait, I want to make the coffee today.
Oh, really? That's nice of you.
Actually, I want to do something more. I want to do all the housework today.
All the housework? Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. I'm your boyfriend, right? I want to help you more.
That's so sweet. But housework is not easy, you know.
I know, but I want to try. I want to be a good boyfriend.
You are already a good boyfriend, Ken.
Thank you. But you always do the housework. That's not fair. Let me help you today.
Okay, I'm happy to hear that. What do you want to do first?
First, I will do the laundry. Then I will clean the rooms, and I will wash the dishes too.
Wow, that's a lot of work. Are you really okay?
Don't worry, I can do it. Trust me.
Okay, I trust you, but please ask me if you need help.
I will. Thank you, Mina. Today will be a great day. Okay, let's start the laundry. Where are the dirty clothes?
They are in the basket over there, the blue basket, near the door.
I see it. Let me bring it here.
Be careful, it's heavy today.
I got it. Oh, you're right. It is heavy. There are many clothes today.
Yes, we have a lot of laundry this week.
No problem. I will put all of them in the washing machine.
Wait, Ken, stop. Don't put all of them together.
Why not? They are all dirty clothes.
Yes, but look carefully. This shirt is white, and this shirt is red.
So, what's the problem?
If you wash them together, the white shirt will become pink.
Really? Pink? I didn't know that. How does that happen?
The color from the red shirt will move to the white shirt. The water carries the red color.
Oh no, that would be bad. Thank you for telling me.
You're welcome. You should separate the white clothes and the colored clothes.
I understand now. White clothes go here, colored clothes go there.
That's right. You're learning fast.
This is harder than I thought. There are many things to remember.
Don't worry. Everyone makes mistakes at first. I made the same mistake before.
You did? Really?
Yes, I made my favorite white t-shirt pink when I was young. My mother was not happy.
I'm glad I asked you first then.
Me too. Now you know.
Okay, I will wash the white clothes first.
Good idea. And don't forget to add the soap.
The soap? Where is it?
It's on the shelf, next to the machine. The blue bottle.
I found it. How much should I use?
Just 1 cup is enough. Don't use too much.
1 cup. Got it. Okay, the machine is starting now.
Great job, Ken. See, you can do it.
Yes, but only because you helped me. Thank you. The laundry is running. Now I will clean the living room.
Okay, the vacuum cleaner is in the closet near the bathroom.
I know where it is. I will make this room very clean.
That sounds good. I will be in the kitchen.
Okay, this won't take long.
Take your time. There's no rush.
Don't worry, I will finish quickly.
Okay, I'll leave you to it.
Let's see. I will start from this corner, and I will move fast. The vacuum cleaner is very powerful. Good, good. Wait, what is this cord? It's stuck. Let me pull it. Oh no!
Ken, what happened? I heard a loud sound.
I'm sorry, I knocked over the lamp.
Oh, I see. Is the lamp broken?
Let me check. No, it's not broken, but I'm sorry. I was moving too fast.
It's okay. The lamp is fine. But next time, please be more careful, okay?
You're right. I should be more careful.
Slow and careful is better than fast and messy.
I understand. I will go slowly from now.
Good. And watch out for cords and small things on the floor.
I will. Thank you for being so patient with me.
Of course, you're doing great, really.
I don't feel like I'm doing great, but I will keep trying.
That's the spirit. I believe in you.
Okay, the living room is clean now. Next is the dishes.
Ken, are you sure? You look a little tired.
I'm fine. I said I would do all the housework today. I keep my promises.
Okay, but please be careful. The dishes can be slippery when they're wet.
I know. I will be very careful this time.
Good. I will stay here and read my book.
Okay, I will wash these dishes slowly and carefully. Let's see. Soap, water, and a sponge. That's all I need. This plate is very dirty. I need to scrub it hard. There, it's clean now. Good. Next plate. Oh no, this plate is slippery. Wait, I can't hold it. No, no, no.
Ken, what was that sound?
I broke a plate. I'm so sorry.
Ken, are you okay? Are you hurt?
I'm okay. I'm not hurt, but the plate is broken.
Let me see your hands. Are you sure you're not hurt?
Yes, I'm sure. My hands are fine, but I feel terrible.
Ken, please don't feel bad. It was an accident.
But this is your plate, and now it's broken. It's my fault.
It's just a plate, Ken. I can buy a new one.
I'm sorry. I wanted to help you, but I only made problems.
Ken, please look at me. You didn't make problems. You tried your best.
But the laundry, the lamp, and now this plate, I feel like I made many mistakes today.
You didn't fail. You learned. There's a big difference.
Thank you for saying that, but I still feel bad.
I know, but first, let's clean this up together. Be careful of the broken pieces.
Okay, I'll get the dustpan.
Good, and I'll pick up the big pieces, slowly and carefully.
Please be careful. Don't cut your fingers.
I will. Don't worry about me.
Thank you, Mina. You're so kind to me.
Of course, we're a team, remember?
The kitchen is clean now, but I still feel bad about the plate.
Ken, please forget about the plate. It's really okay.
I can't forget. I wanted to be a good boyfriend today.
Ken, you are a good boyfriend. Breaking a plate doesn't change that.
But I wanted to show you that I can help you.
You did help me. You did the laundry. You cleaned the room.
But I made mistakes every time. I'm not good at housework.
Ken, can I tell you something?
Yes, of course.
I was not good at housework at first. I made many mistakes too.
Really? But you're so good at it now.
That's because I practiced and I learned from my mistakes.
I see. So everyone starts as a beginner.
Exactly. And you don't have to be perfect. I don't want a perfect boyfriend.
You don't?
No, I want a boyfriend who tries. A boyfriend who cares. That's you.
Thank you, Mina. That means a lot to me.
You know what I think? I think you're too hard on yourself.
Maybe you're right. I always want to be perfect.
But perfect is impossible, and that's okay.
I think I understand now. I should just try my best.
Yes, and I will always be here to help you.
And I will help you too. That's what we do, right?
That's right. We help each other.
Mina, can you teach me something?
Of course. What do you want to learn?
I want to learn how to wash dishes the right way.
Good idea. Let's do it together.
Together? Really?
Yes, it's more fun that way, and you can learn while we work.
That sounds great. Thank you.
Okay, first, don't use too much soap. A little is enough.
I see. I used too much before. That's why the plate was so slippery.
Yes, exactly. Too much soap makes the dishes very slippery.
That makes sense. What else should I know?
Hold the dish with both hands when you can, like this.
I see. Both hands. That's much safer.
That's right. Now you try.
Okay. A little soap. Both hands. Like this?
Perfect. You're doing great.
Really? This feels much easier now.
See? You just needed a little practice.
And a good teacher. Thank you, Mina.
You're welcome. Now let's finish these dishes together.
Okay. I will wash and you can dry. How's that?
That sounds like a good plan.
Great. Here's the first one.
Nice job. This one is very clean.
Thank you. I feel much better now.
I'm glad. Working together is nice, isn't it?
Yes, it really is. I like this.
Me too. We make a good team.
Look, Mina. The living room looks so clean.
It does. And the kitchen is clean too.
We did it together. I couldn't do it alone.
Yes, but you did a lot today. You should be proud.
I learned a lot today about laundry, cleaning, and washing dishes.
And you will remember it for next time.
Yes, next time I will do better.
I know you will.
Mina, thank you for today. Thank you for helping me and teaching me.
You're welcome, Ken. Thank you for trying so hard.
I want to help you more, not just today, but always.
And I want to help you too. That's what couples do.
You're right. We're a team.
Yes, we are.
Next time, let's do the housework together from the start.
That's a great idea. I would like that.
Me too. I had fun today, even with the mistakes.
The mistakes made it interesting.
That's true. I will never forget the pink shirt story.
You almost made all our shirts pink.
I'm so glad you stopped me.
Me too. But it's a funny memory now.
Mina, I'm happy. I'm really happy to be with you.
I'm happy too, Ken. Let's keep learning together.
Yes, together.
Together.
How was it? I hope this video helped you practice slow and easy English. Now, let me ask today's question one more time. What mistake does Ken almost make when he starts the laundry? Did you find the answer? If you did, please write it in the comments section. By writing even one simple sentence in English, you can improve your English output step by step. On this channel, I share slow, clear, and simple English stories to help beginners feel more confident. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, I recently started Super Thanks. If you enjoyed this video and would like to support the channel, I would really appreciate it. All right, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.